Ever wanted to feel as cool as a real-life James Bond? Or perhaps you're the awkward type, who can't help but want to know what their neighbors are up to. Whatever you do with the gadgets in today's video, we won't judge. But the fact of the matter is, you're way closer to your fantasies of becoming a real-life spy than you thought. With these modern-day technologies, you can install and detect hidden cameras wherever you go. Or press a finger to your ear to take a call, just like you've seen secret agents and tactical ops do in your favorite TV shows. So here's a list of 10 of the most exciting spy gadgets you can actually buy. Number 10. FLIR 1 Gen 3. Need to discreetly follow a target in the dark? No problem. The FLIR 1 Gen 3 can upgrade your smartphone into a thermal camera. Compatible with both iOS and Android, this small device can pair up with any phone and provide multi-purpose benefits. If you want to navigate someplace dark, but can't risk revealing yourself to your target by turning on a torch, then this is the best tool for you. You just have to connect it to your phone and use it through its app. Even when you're taking a break from your spying activities, you can still use it for other things. Thermal imaging is pretty useful for spotting leaks and cold infiltration around the house, so you can squeeze in some house renovation on your days off from stealth tracking. Number 9. PD-100 Black Hornet. Here's another cool spy gadget developed by FLIR Systems, and it's already being used to help potential troops spy on armed threats. Meet the PD-100 Black Hornet. What looks like a tiny toy helicopter is actually a powerful surveillance device being used by the military. This tiny drone has 3 surveillance cameras hidden in its nose, and it's built to withstand strong winds while remaining soundless. You can either control it directly within a distance of 1,000 meters, but what's even cooler is that it has an autopilot mode that allows it to surveil a predefined path using its built-in GPS. You won't need to walk up to anyone to see what they're up to anymore. Number 8. Night Vision Monoculars. If you want a big range of vision on your nightly excursions, then the FLIR 1, the Night Vision Monoculars will do the trick. These monoculars use infrared light to look as far as 100 meters. They can even zoom in on your target, so you don't have to follow them too close. Since they're monoculars, you only have to use one eye to look through them, which leaves your other eye free to keep an eye on your surroundings so you don't actually stumble and alert your target. Don't forget to charge them before you head out, because this device is powered by a battery. Number 7. Lookout Charger. You might want to keep an eye on what's going on in the house when you're not around. Whether you want to see if the nanny has been sneaking your boyfriend in, or just want to keep a watch over your pets, something as discreet as the lookout charger is what might do the trick. It looks like a regular old charger with a USB port, but this sneaky little device contains a high-definition camera and audio device that are invisible to the clueless onlooker. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, or Linux for your laptop, and works with both iOS and Android for phones. And let's face it, you can't call yourself a real spy without a few hidden cameras lying about. Number 6. Air Freshener Spy Camera. Speaking of hidden spy cams, you might want one that people won't bother moving around too much. Chargers get picked up and moved, so if you're looking for something no one's gonna touch, then maybe the Air Freshener Spy Cam is what you're looking for. Just like the lookout charger, it actually works as an air freshener while surveilling the room you placed it in without anyone realizing. Fitted with a motion sensor, the camera turns on when it detects someone around and can alert you on the app. This way, you'll know immediately if there's a break-in or if your dog just wandered into the wrong room. It has an SD card that can store the footage for you to review later. This is the perfect spy cam if you want to place a surveilled and smelling fresh at the same time. Number 5. SPYFINDER Pro. We've told you about some hidden cameras you can use to keep an eye on others, But what about the cameras keeping an eye on you? If you're worried about privacy while checking into a new hotel or Airbnb, then SPYFINDER Pro can help you out. When checking in, just pull it out of your pocket and give the room a quick sweep. This small, handheld camera lens detector can detect any kind of hidden camera, whether it's on or off, at a range of around 45 feet. It has a special button that lets out a red light that reflects off the lens of the hidden camera. You can look through its lens and spot the sneaky cameras hidden away. The light intensity on it is also adjustable, so you can be sure you'll find all the hidden cameras, no matter the size of the room. At $200, it's a pretty smart investment when it comes to protecting your privacy. Number 4. Mirrored glass. Ever wonder why secret agents always wear dark, tinted glasses? It's not just to look cool and intimidating. Mirrored glasses are like regular sunglasses, but with an added feature. You can look at what's behind you too. Super affordable at just $10, they're fitted with mirrored glasses to extend your field of vision without anyone around you even realizing. So if you want to look cool and look at what's behind you, then mirrored glasses should be your next buy. Number 3. Focals. Speaking of glasses, smart glasses seem like a pretty great idea as we got more and more tech savvy. But no one seemed to come up with a design that actually worked. Until now. Focal glasses look and feel pretty normal. But North, the startup that's developed them, may have hit the jackpot. These comfortable smart glasses have a projector on the inside of the frame that displays an image on the glass only the wearer can see. Aside from functioning like a normal computer and keeping you updated with time, weather, and messages, these cool specs also come with an inconspicuous recording feature. And to scroll through the menu items on your glasses, you use Loop, a 4-directional joystick ring that you wear on your hand. You use it to take calls and activate the recording feature too. Recently, North's been acquired by Google, so you can anticipate cool new developments on this pretty soon. Number 2. ZEROI. A good spy stays alert of their environments at all times. Plugged-in earphones can block out noise, but with ZEROI, you don't miss out on what's going on around you, because there's nothing blocking your ears. Using bone conduction technology, this incredible smart hat sends vibrations through your skull into your eardrum, which converts them into sound. Water resistance and convenience, ZEROI connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, so you can listen to music or make calls on the go. You don't need to worry about oncoming traffic or anyone sneaking up on you with this remarkable hat. Number 1. SGNL. If you seriously want to look like a real spy, then there's nothing more impressive than taking a phone call by placing your fingertip to your ear, just like they do in the movies. Say goodbye to lame old Bluetooths and say hello to SGNL. Replace your regular watch strap with this smart strap and take calls without other people listening in. When you place your finger to your ear, it transmits the audio directly to your ear while blocking out background noise. The strap can be attached to any kind of watch, whether digital, analog, or smart. So even if you're in some place that's loud, you can take your calls comfortably and in style. Alright, let us know in the comments below which of these spy gadgets you can't wait to get your hands on. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.